Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how to fill up the Philippine Airlines passenger profile online form. So first, go to the Philippine Airlines sites, philippineairlines.com in your browser. Then, on the home page, search for the travel requirements. So this one, travel rules and requirements, learn more. Traveling within the Philippines, and then here Philippine Airlines traveling within the Philippines, it's in passenger profile and health declaration form. So ito po. Pre-registration for PAL domestic travel. So, write nyo lang po ang email address, last name, first name, and flight departure date, departing from origin, arriving in destination. Next, important reminder and data privacy, so submit mo lang. And then, pre-registration for PAL domestic travel, thanks. So, please check your email because they will send you some instruction for the next form. So here is the confirmation, and then here is another guide. Click this link to complete the passenger profile and health declaration form. So first you have to save the code. Save the code. And then proceed to another instruction. So here is another form. PAL passenger profile and health declaration form, registration for the Philippine domestic travel. So code, the code that we saved a while ago, so we have to input. Next, last name, first name, middle name, you can put NA or not applicable, date of birth, sex, nationality, mobile number, secondary number, email address again, occupation, let's say not. Emergency contact information, and then next, COVID exposure history. Are you exposed to a person with COVID? No. Did you visit any health worker? No. Did you visit any zoo, poultry farm? No. Have you been quarantined in 14 days? No. Then next, clinical history. At the present or during the past 30 days, have you experienced any of the following symptoms? Fever, sore throat, difficulty of breathing, headache, body pains, ache, diarrhea, cough, and colds? No. Next, travel history. Have you traveled to other places? No. Next, then Below, domestic tourists. Persons traveling to Philippine domestic destination opened for tourists. So you have to choose among of this. So returning versus Filipino. So I would choose domestic tourist. Are you traveling alone? Yes. And then purpose of travel, returning home. Returning home, visiting friends and relatives, leisure, meeting, business, and others. So returning home. I will choose returning home. Third date, August 3, departing from Manila and arriving to Dipolog City. Flight number 255. Seat number, so just put none. And then next, passport number, just put none. And then next. And then next. Important reminders and data privacy, just click submit. Okay, thanks. So your response was submitted. So in this process, we are going to check our email address. Okay. You have received the email. So your registration has been completed. So that's it. I hope that this video will help you on how to process or fill up your Philippine Airlines passenger profile online. Thank you and God bless everyone. Have a nice day.